Now, you probably remember this one. Do you remember the name of this guy? This is a triangle. Good. And what are the defining attributes of a triangle? Three. Do you remember that word for this? Corners or vertices. Three vertices, three corners. Triangles also have three sides. Good. All right. What about this one here? Do you remember that? What that one is? That is a square. You're right. Now, a square has some defining attributes as well. A square has four sides, and the four sides are all the same length, aren't they? A square also has four corners or four vertices, and all those four vertices are the same, aren't they? They're all the same. Look, they all look the same. Yep, they sure do. All right, we're going to set the square to the side, but not completely off camera because I want you to look at it, back at it here just a second, because I want you to see this one. Do you remember this shape? This one, the reason I left the square here is because it looks a lot like a squished square, doesn't it? It looks like somebody took a square and smushed it, doesn't it? Yeah. Do you remember what this one is called? A rhombus. Yes, a rhombus. Now, a rhombus is a lot like a square, that it has four sides, and those four sides are all the same, aren't they? Yep, all the four sides are the same. Where it's different, well, it has four vertices, but the four vertices are not all the same like the four vertices of a square, are they? There are two vertices. These two are the same. And these two are different from the first two, but they're the same. See that? So that's the difference between a rhombus and a square. Let me show you another rhombus. It looks different from this one, but it's still a rhombus. Move that. Stick this guy over here. See that? That's also a rhombus. It has four sides, and those four sides are all the same. It has four corners or four vertices, and those four vertices, these two are the same. And these two are the same, but they're not all four the same, okay? But these two are both rhombuses, even though they look a little different. Okay, good. All right, one more. Nope, sorry, a couple more here. Do you remember this one? This one has four sides. Remember that? Four sides, four vertices. Now, these four sides are all a little different, aren't they? Do you remember what this is called? Yes, a trapezoid. Yes. Yes, good job, good job. Now, this one here, the big one that we have, that we were talking about, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And they're all the same, aren't they? And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. And they're all the same, aren't they? Good. Do you remember what this one was called? Hexagon. Good. That one's hard to remember sometimes. All right. So now that we've reviewed all of the shapes that we've learned or that we've been working with, I'd like to show you what a composite shape